Welcome to your source for research, innovation news, insights, and commentary. This is your Research Business Daily Report, where we are sponsored by Socratic Technologies, whose proprietary tools and methodologies tackle marketing complexities so that you can make more confident business decisions. We hope you had a great weekend, and during that time we wanted to give you some news about research agencies that changed hands. Publishing company Stagnito Media acquired Carbonview Research. It is doing primary research and analytics for CPG and retailers, the same fields, it turns out, that are covered by Stagnito Publications. Carbonview President Rick Ratcliffe will continue to run the business as a subsidiary of Stagnito. In another interesting sale, Target Research Group, which does design, execution, processing, and analytics for Fortune 500 companies, announced it has undergone an employee buyout. Best of luck to them. Next, we're proud to welcome Sherri Neuwirth, president of Neuwirth Consulting, and for more than 3 decades, a very distinguished professional researcher. She's going to be pitching here both at RBDR and in our newsletters with regular contributions. She covered a conference for us about a week or so ago, and she forwarded her impressions.
Thanks, Bob. I've been working in the research industry for nearly 35 years as a researcher, the manager of a research business, and as an advisor. Bob asked me to attend the Marketing and Communications Insight Summit this past week, which featured an impressive group of chief marketing officers and chief communications officers from major U.S. companies across a variety of industries. While it was no surprise that a common thread throughout the summit was the impact of social media on the marketing and communications space, I was quite taken aback by the lack of impact by traditional research firms on the extensive analytical activities being executed in the digital space. Nearly all of the companies who spoke have a strong digital presence for their marketing and communications initiatives. They therefore have a pressing need for tools to curate the mounds of information generated from responses to their digital messaging, as well as social media dialogue. There was also general consensus that digital engagement has forced companies to embrace customer centricity. And who understands customers better than marketing researchers? Although you wouldn't know that from the content of the discussions. While it was stated by the panelists, as well as evidenced by the tech-based exhibitors, that resources are available to obtain the necessary aggregated analytics, unfortunately, none of the firms cited as handling these types of assignments were marketing research firms. Even more troubling is that it was clear from the discussions that dollars previously spent on traditional research are being directed towards digital analytic activities. This is not to say that the need for traditional methods will cease to exist, but rather these companies, and likely many others, are paying less and less attention to traditional marketing research to assist them. 10 years ago, market research departments walked away from the CRM opportunity and have lived to regret it. While a lot of research departments this time have tried to get involved in their company's social media activities, apparently too many of them are either not being heard or maybe not being pushy enough. To ensure the robustness of company information obtained through social and other means, market research companies and research departments must find ways to become vital players in companies' digital initiatives. No one is better equipped than research to bring insights to the CEO and CMO that are going to matter. It's been said, you can't expect to meet the challenges of today with yesterday's tools and expect to be in business tomorrow. This is a call of action to all professional researchers that they need to take to heart and start acting on before it's too late. I'm Sherri Neuwirth, and my 2 minutes are up.
Thanks, Sherri, and we look forward to both working with you and hearing regularly from you. as time moves on. That's your Research Business Daily Report, sponsored by Socratic Technologies, whose proprietary tools and methodologies tackle marketing complexities so that you can make more confident business decisions. We hope you have a great research day, and we look forward to seeing you all back here tomorrow.